About former Secretary Roque, kasi kaya siya hinahanap, sir, is because of the warrant of arrest from the House of Representatives. Sir, meron ba kayong communication or any move para po kasi nasa Netherlands siya sa ngayon.
Kala ko impeachment.
Pero yun,
Anyway, I think under the jurisdiction kasi siya ng Quadcom, no? It was the Quadcom who which issued the arrest, no? Arrest order. And of course, I co-signed the arrest order. But the House doesn't have jurisdiction over consular matters. No, it's really the DFA. But according to the DFA, it has to have a court order before they can cancel the passport of Mr. Harry Roque.
pero sir, may request po ba para i-cancel yung passport niya?
Wala pa because, it will have to go through the process. Ibig sabihin, I think cases have been filed with the DOJ. Pending pa yun eh. Kasama siya rin sa charges that were filed against former Mayor Guo and that corporation. Kasama siya ron. Pero I don't think na file na yun sa court eh. It's still with the Department of Justice. Yun nga, once it's filed in the court, that's the time the court can issue an order concerning the passport or the immigration status of Mr. Harry Roque. So right now we're waiting for that. But I understand the House Quadcom is planning to have a hearing immediately to just to know what's the status of the arrest order and then what the Department of Justice is doing about these pending cases.